Hey guys, well, this is Johnny on tour. So this is my first video on YouTube. Yeah. Well, before I was a streamer, yeah, on Twitch. Yeah. But unfortunately, well, because of some private matters, I gave up doing streaming. Yeah. So I feel so sorry. Okay, you just expect from my latest videos. Yeah. So in principle, I always upload some videos about the tour in Taiwan. Yeah, so you can watch this. Yeah, I'm tour guide. Yeah, I'm Taiwanese tour guide. So okay, so the place I'm staying is named Fushang Shrine of the Village Deity. Well, at the beginning with the trip, I want to introduce this spot. Yeah, yeah, this is Fushang Shrine of the Village Deity. Yeah, it's believed maybe the local residents will be safe and sound. Yeah. They worship this deity, so this shrine is very important about the local residents. Yeah. Okay, so this is Fushang Shrine. Okay. The second spot is named swimming pool. Yeah. Laundry pool is very well. It's very traditional. Yeah. So you can watch this. Yeah, so this pool is like a river. Yeah. So maybe you can find this. Yeah. Okay. This is river. Okay. So beautiful. This was a place. Well, about doing laundry in ancient Taiwan. Yeah. Okay. Well, the laundry pool is next to the Fushang Shrine. Okay. Okay. Well, this is Ecological Park. Yeah. They say hello. Okay. Hey, my friend. Okay. Let's go. Oh, I'm sweating now. Yeah, this is Ecological Park located in Taoyuan City, Taiwan. Yeah. Yeah, you can see this graffiti. Yeah. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Maybe they were drawn by famous artists. Yeah, maybe. Oh, we can watch this. Wow. So many letters. Oh, lotus. Oh, sorry. Lotus. Yeah. Oh. Well, okay. That is a pond. Yeah. Well, this is good spot. Yeah, for relaxing. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can watch more gravity. Yeah, gravity. Okay, so okay, let's go. This house is very white. Okay, I found many fish. Wow, so it feels very pleasant. Yeah. So this is £1. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Oh, okay. Oh, so nice. Oh, many plants. Yeah. Okay, let's go. This is mini entertainment park for kids. Okay. Okay. So the frog is it's made from more cans. Yeah. Can beer? Yes. So this is decorative art. Frog. Okay. Oh, I love this belly. Oh, so cute. Okay. So big. Frog. Next. Oh. Oh. So if you're so if you feel so tired, yeah, maybe you can get relaxed, yeah. So, well, maybe you want to get relaxed, yeah. So you just come here, yeah, yeah. That one. That's it for watching. Okay, okay. So see you next time.